Hi there, this is Gabriela again. Okay, now we're going to talk about how to import diagrams, okay? Really easy to do. In this case, what you need to have is the diagram code, doesn't matter the name, but you definitely going to need the code. Okay, in this case, I think I have all these, but let's try this one. I think these are new. All these are new. I'm gonna put a upload on the website too. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's do it. We're going to the new campaign, and when it's open in this area, I just right click, import diagrams, and then paste it. I always do copy paste because it's the better way to get write the code. Okay, and make sure you don't have blank space in the beginning. That happen a lot. Okay, then okay, and voila, here we have the video. Okay, thank you. Until next time, bye.